Brian Tracy says, you can accomplish virtually any goal you set for yourself as long as the goal is clear and you persist long enough. Focusing on your own individual personal development plan enhances the qualities you hold within you and makes your dreams and aspirations turn into a reality. Your potential is limitless, and investing in personal development is a way to harness your many talents. Establishing aims and goals for what you want to achieve and where you would like to go in the short term or long term can improve your personal development. After studying just about everything that has been written or said about personal development and success, Brian Tracy came to the conclusion that the root of both is your level of self-confidence. Self-confidence is the critical factor in everything you accomplish because, with the appropriate amount, you will try almost anything. Many people underachieve in their careers because they do not realize the areas of personal development that can help them achieve mastery in any field. There is no substitute for hard work. If you set a goal, make a plan, and work on it every day, you will see personal development and progress within your career. There are no limits except for the limits you place on yourself with your thinking. Commit yourself to lifelong learning. Even if you're at the top of your field, there's always something to learn. You will become unstoppable, and you will see your entire future open up in front of you if you live a goal and growth-oriented life. Creating a plan for personal development helps you get a better sense of control over your life and will make you better prepared for whatever comes your way. You may be thinking, what is a personal development plan? A personal development plan is your guideline for your life and your future success. The reason you need one is that making a plan will help you make better decisions and remind yourself of where you want to go. Good preparation increases the probability of success and decreases the risk of things going wrong along the way. When writing your personal development plan, think about the goals you want to achieve, ways in which you need to improve and develop, and design a plan that will make you prepared to tackle the most important tasks for the coming day. Personal development does not have to be a daunting task. However, before you can set up a plan for yourself, you need to do some self-reflecting and then follow these 6 core steps. Step number 1 is to write a list of the top 10 most important goals you would like to achieve. Step number 2 is write which of those 10 is the most important to you and why. Step number 3 is to write down a specific timeline for achieving your goal. Step number 4, write down your strengths and weaknesses. Then, focus on about 3 of each, and then write how your strengths can help you achieve this goal and how you plan to overcome those weaknesses. Step number 5 is to write actions that you need to take in order to achieve your goal. This can be things you need to add to your daily routine, as well as things you need to eliminate from it. Doing this will help you achieve each goal faster. And finally, step number 6 is to mark your progress. Write down what has been working well, what you have accomplished, what you still need to improve, and what skills or knowledge you have gained along the way. Now, we'd love to hear from you. So our question today is, what is holding you back from achieving your goals? Is it the lack of a plan? Leave a comment below and we'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and as Brian Tracy says, if you want to change your future, take action and take action now.
If you enjoyed this video and feel it was valuable, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.